I really don't mind their singing as long as the singing stays over there. This straight. You're not bothered by the cicadas in the grass right now? Just need you to cut it in half. Down there. You see where the arch is? And you see that one sticking straight up? You're my hero. There's a hero. On the bench. No, that's not a bench. You see the bench? Yeah, that. Well, I need it. I'm harvesting, so now you gotta go get it.